Welcome back, guys. Bitcoin will see a massive explosion over the next 24 hours. Mark my words, Bitcoin will see an explosive move, and I'm gonna show you the exact reason why this is going to happen, and it has something to do with something that is happening tomorrow that I'm gonna show you by the end of the video. So definitely stick around here and make sure that you are subscribed to the channel, you like this video, and also activate the bell so that you will never miss out on these important updates. And now let's directly dive into today's content. So first of all, we have created over the weekend a new CME gap from 31,200 all the way down to 30,820 where we are right now, and the Bitcoin price is just slightly under the lower end of that CME gap. And you know the drill already. When you watch my channel already for quite a while, you know that these CME gaps getting rather sooner than later filled, and that means we should see a push to $31,200 in the next coming hours, with a potential target all the way up to this CME gap of $34,000, $35,000. And like I said, I'm gonna show you why I believe that this might be in the cards in the next couple of hours. Here is the reason for that. Let me directly take it away for you. I don't wanna create more how to say that? I forgot the word. Yeah, so I just don't want to let you wait any longer for what it is. So it has to do with the SEC's approved first leveraged Bitcoin futures ETF. So, and here you see the volatility shares 2x Bitcoin ETF BitX is scheduled to launch on the Chicago board option BZX exchange next Tuesday, June 27th. That is tomorrow. Tomorrow, the first leveraged Bitcoin futures ETF approved by the SEC will launch in Chicago. And now let me show you what happened the last time that an ETF was approved for gold, or the first time an ETF for gold was approved. Here on the 28th of March 2003 was the first ETF approved, and look, immediately afterwards we rallied here tremendously to the upside. If we only take the first, what is that, 1 2 3 4 5, let's say it's 8 weeks, the first 8 weeks gold moved 18%. So gold is now not as liquid as Bitcoin, so that could be a 30 40 50% move for Bitcoin in the same time span. And then look, over the whole time there was 514%. So if I would compare that to Bitcoin, first of all, I would shrink the timeline way down, of course. And then I would expect that could be 5 to 10x related to Bitcoin. So that means that Bitcoin could be 25x. Yeah, that would be a reasonable target. 25x, that would be 750 million right now, $750,000 per Bitcoin at the peak. That sounds for me quite reasonable for what's still coming for Bitcoin and the other ETFs being approved, for example, the BlackRock one. So you see here, when the gold ETF got approved, gold rallied like crazy. So, and that's why I'm saying I believe that a huge price explosion will happen tomorrow based on the news here that the ETF will be approved tomorrow. And when, like I said, when you look at gold, we had a massive rally afterwards, and Bitcoin is behaving somewhat like gold to a certain extent, and that's why I anticipate a massive move here. Also, when we're looking in here in the charts, we see trying Bitcoin to move here higher. So here's, for example, a W pattern on the 1 hourly that broke to the upside but came straight back up. You can still consider that a retest if the price action can reclaim the neckline. That would be then also your entry. And you see that goes to the top of the CME gap, $31,200. If the price action can stay above the neckline at $30,550, that will become your entry, but only if the candle goes back up or the next one breaks above it. That is your entry for the technical target. It will be a really quick scalp, because there is not a lot of percentage here to the upside. Here we're talking about 2%, but with 25x leverage, it would be 50% that you can bank here quite easily on that trade. So here you have your next potential trade set up. Then when we are going to the daily chart, here, like I said, most likely In the worst case, this will be a rounding top where we then correct to the downside to like 28,000, 29,000-ish, in that kind of range here. These CPR lines, that will be most likely the target for the Bitcoin price on the daily to come down. And also don't forget the EMA ribbon will be retested at some point. So the longer it takes for the price action to come down, the higher the EMA ribbon goes by every passing day. And that's for us really good, because that could mean that when the when the price action finally comes down, that this EMA ribbon is around the $28,000, $29,000 mark. If Bitcoin can break in the next coming hours above 30,828, then we definitely go all the way up into that resistance area here of $32,000, $33,000. That is definitely what we can expect here. If we get further rejected from here, then, like I said, then most likely here, these two levels on Fibonacci retracement will be our initial target to the downside and giving us a short opportunity. Here on the 30 minutes, we see Bitcoin is running out of steam, but also the EMA ribbon wants to flip here to the upside, which is initially a good sign, but only if we see a little bit more continuation. So I would like to see the next kind of breaking above 31. I would like to see that to touch it, because that will solidify the flip of the EMA ribbon. And if we then roll over, test the ribbon, and then continue to go sideways up, that would create a new uptrend, and that would be really, really good in the imminent short term for us. And guys, don't forget, if you want to trade with me together and follow my calls that I also partially give absolutely for free on my free Telegram channel, then sign up on Bybit. You still get $30,000 absolutely for free if you use my specific link, and a $1,000 free long position when you deposit at least $100, and also claim at the same time $2,000 for free on Ascendex. There, while you are trading, you earn Bitcoin off the fees that you are spending on your trading. That is something really unique in the space right now. I would definitely take advantage of that, but also only with that specific link here, guys. Only with these links you can claim a total bonus of up to $32,000. Now let's continue quick here with Bitcoin dominance. The dominance dropped now a little bit. That led to a small rally in some of the altcoins already. I still believe that we see here continuation to the downside, and my long-term target would be all the way back down here into that region of 47, 46%. Once Bitcoin has found its top. And here you see it's just flipping bearish again, which is good for altcoins to go here higher. Oh, Bitcoin Cash is again running like crazy. I see it here on my other screen. Insane. So here's a lot of opportunity right now in the market. Watch yesterday's video. I gave you a lot of altcoins that are ready to enter really, really soon, or you can enter them already. Take advantage of them and make some money here with us together, guys. That's it already for this episode, guys. That was a really quick update. I hope you enjoyed it. Please make sure that you smash up the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and I'll see you then again tomorrow.